Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute since I've recorded or dropped the video, but I've been busy, I've been grinding out. Adam too. Shit, we've been, on some classified shit,
Hey, that's a major move in minor ways. I'ma dig, keep it deep, find a way. Trying to find a balance on your counterweights. Run your fingers through your talents, be able to reach your outer gates. Hey, your mind will shake, hit the chime and calm the quake. Take the time before too long it goes to waste. Get the stand, start the chase, follow through and never wait. Make it happen, don't you ever weep. Play your part, you the captain, earn your keep. Take it slow and smart, glued to your passion before you lay your heart and head to sleep.
Yeah, alright. Man, that boy so outlandish, they can't understand it. He won't let his creativity vanish. Guess he got these other cats at a disadvantage. Yeah, he wanna learn a better life, he don't wanna barely manage. He can only have it if he learns to plan it. Maybe he ain't taking shit for granted, but being broken ain't so systematic. Oh, let him hit your heart with this art called a bandage. Know to keep your mind on that hocus pocus. Yes, he need you fucking focus on that magic. Yes, he gets to keep his hands held to love like a hopeless romantic. No need to panic, no get so frantic. Go ahead and spare him up all your other antics. Just because we pulling on the strings of emotion got you feeling like just a drop in this giant motion and it's oceanic. Hey,
open up to what your heart and mind will say. That's a major move in minor ways. I'ma dig deep and deep, find a way. Trying to find a balance on your counterweights. Run your fingers through your talents, be able to reach your outer gates. Hey, your mind will shake, hit the chime and calm the quake. Take the time before too long it goes to waste. Get the stand, start the chase, follow through and never wait. Make it happen, don't you ever weep. Play your part, you the captain, earn your keep. Take it slow and smart, glued to your passion before you lay your heart and head to sleep.
After a long day of work, this is where we stand. We got the windshield removed. We also got the rear hatch removed. We made the Lexan template for it. I need to get some more Lexan to make this back window here, and the 2/4 panels, and the main windshield. Painted everything, looking clean. Door jambs are all painted, window sills are painted. We got the rear hatch painted as well. Here's the hood, looking mint. The rear hatch here. Then we got the rear bumper here. But yeah, we're gonna have the engine mounts come in tomorrow. It's gonna look super clean with the billet mounts. Had a little problem with Innovative. Hopefully they reimburse me all my money. And just a whole bunch of bullshit, back and forth bullshit with them. It's all good though, because reason why, we're coming back better than ever.